So here it says if yx is the solution of the differential equation, this x is positive, y1 is 2, initial value is given, and the slope of the curve is never 0, then you have to find the value of this particular thing here. Okay. So this is the differential equation that we'll try to solve. This seems like variable separable type of a differential equation where you can separate the x and y on both the sides of the equal to sign, right? So I can write here this as dy upon y square minus 4y is equal to dx upon x. Okay, we have to integrate this both the sides. Now here on the right hand side, this is simply ln x. Okay, RHS is ln x. Okay, let's see what is the left hand side, LHS. That is integral of that thing. Okay, so that thing I can write as dy upon y times y minus 4, right? So that is the same as, in the numerator I'll create y minus 4. This whole thing is 4 only. So I have multiplied by a 4, I divide by a 4 like this, and rest of the things are the same. Okay, fine. In the numerator I have 4 there, and so I divided by a 4 as well. Okay. Right. Now this thing will become 1 by 4 times integral 1 by y minus 4 minus 1 upon y dy. Okay. Right. So this integral here is going to be 1 by 4 times ln of y minus 4 minus ln y. Okay. That is nothing but 1 by 4 ln y minus 4 upon y, this thing here, right? So the integral on the right hand side is equal to this thing, right? That means 1 by 4 ln y minus 4 upon y is equal to ln x, right? And I put a integration constant c here, fine. So I can write this as ln of y minus 4 upon y is 4 times ln x plus 4c. Okay, so this means ln of y minus 4 upon y is equal to ln of x to the power 4 into c, right? So I can say from here y minus 4 upon y is equal to some c times x to the power 4, right? This is the original equation that I am getting. Okay, now I'll put the initial value for y. The value of y is 2, for x is equal to 1. Okay, so I'll place this here. So from here I can say if x is equal to 1, y is going to be 2. This initial value is given, right? So that means 2 minus 4 upon 2, x is 1. So c, that is giving me c as minus 1, right? So now I have the equation, complete equation as this. Y minus 4 upon y is equal to minus x to the power 4. This is the equation in y and x. Okay, this is the complete equation with the constant also. Now you see, if this was the original equation given to me, the original differential equation given to me, dy by dx is equal to y square minus 4y upon x, right? That is y times y minus 4 upon x. So the question is saying that the slope of the curve is never 0. That means dy by dx is never 0 for any x value. That means this thing here is never 0. Okay. So that means y is not 0, not 4. Y cannot be 0 or 4. Fine. So y is not 0 here. This thing I can say y is not 0. Of course, this has to be y not equal to 0 for this to be valid. Okay. Right. So I have the y function in terms of x. Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out 10 times y of root 2. Okay. So we can say if x is equal to root 2, what is the value of y going to be? We can solve y minus 4 upon y is equal to negative root 2 to the power 4 is 4, right? So from here I get y minus 4 is minus 4y. That means 5y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 upon 5. So that means for x is equal to root 2, y is 4 by 5. Okay. So y of root 2 is 4 by 5. 10 times of that is 8 simply. Okay. So my answer here becomes 8. Thank you.